Whew, good morning. We woke up and had snow on the ground. It's been snowing all day, and now I gotta get to work. So let's take a ride. Okay, that's not gonna work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go backwards down the hill and we're gonna get a running start. Let's try this again. So I've got a shed that needs to get drywall on the walls, so I can get mudding this weekend if possible. So here we go. Time for a running start. All right, here we go. It's a beautiful snowy day. See how our Polaris Ranger 4-wheel drive can get up this hill if possible, or I might end up in a tree. I'm all kind of sideways. Come on, baby. Oh, we got this. We got this. No ditch. No ditch. Doing good. I think we got maybe 6-8 inches on the ground. So even if I get up here, can I get back? I'm going 14 miles an hour, 15, 16. Really going about 6. All that snow. Can I get around the corner? Can I do it? Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, we made it. Awesome. Oh, solar panels are covered. We're not getting any power today. I need to shovel that off or sweep it off. I don't want to hurt the panels. So yeah, nice, beautiful winter day, winter storm in East Tennessee. So try to stay warm, guys. I know I am. Time to get to work.